Kia ora, g'day, bonjour, hi, I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a cookie, a gluten-free cookie, super easy to make, 5 ingredients. So we take some sliced almonds, we take some icing sugar, 1 egg white, and then we take some vanilla paste and some honey. That's it. Very, very easy. And you know me, it's got to be easy or I don't do it, because who has the time for complicated? All right, so I put a little bit of oil on my tablespoon to make the honey easier to come out. Put some vanilla, this is vanilla paste. And then we're just going to mix it all up together and put it on a cookie sheet. That's it. And these will be really nice dunking cookies. Nothing like a good cup of tea and a cookie to dunk it in. So you want to mix it together until the sugar's dissolved. It's really nice and nutty. Okay, there we go. This is going to look like this. And then all we're going to do is take spoonfuls and put them on our cookie tray and bake them. Very easy. I'm going to take some spoons. Now, it just depends how big you want them. Leave a little bit of room in between because of the egg, they'll spread a little bit, the egg, but they're not going to rise or anything. Okay, 6. Good little cookie for after dinner. We're in the middle of a cold afternoon for afternoon tea, which is my favorite. Not really a meal, but it's my favorite thing is afternoon tea. All right, so there we go. I'm going to show you what they look like. I'm going to make a bit more room. There we go. Couldn't get easier than that. Put them on some baking powder. We're going to bake them and I'm going to come back and show you what they look like when they're done. Okay, so I'm back. They did not take long at all. They look really good. You can make them as big or as small as you want. They are sticky, so you've got to let them cool completely or they'll just collapse. You want them to solidify together. Look how pretty these look. Delicious. Great cookie for tea. An almond, 5 ingredient almond cookie, gluten-free, super easy to make, great dunking. Enjoy.